Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pie with microwave, only way. Start by mixing 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup butter, and a pinch of salt into a dough. Press into a microwave-safe dish. Bake crust for 90 seconds. Whisk 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup sugar and flavor. Pour filling into crust. Microwave on medium for 6 minutes. Let rest 5 minutes before serving. Use fresh ingredients and adjust sugar based on filling sweetness. Taste as you go, and reduce microwave time for smaller pies. Rotate dish halfway to ensure even cooking. Cover edges with foil if they brown too fast, and let internal temperature settle for a firmer slice. For fruit pies, toss fruit with 1 tablespoon cornstarch per cup and a squeeze of lemon, then microwave gently. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth seems oddly fitting for home cooking and simple choices. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider this friendly tip. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To prevent soggy bottoms, pre-bake crust longer and blind bake with weights for firmer structure, and reduce liquid in the filling by 1/4 when microwaving. Cool pies on a rack to finish setting, and chill for 30 minutes before slicing if needed. Reheat single slices in the microwave for 20 seconds to warm through, and store leftovers covered in the fridge for up to 3 days. Label containers with date to track freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.